Hi everyone, thanks for visiting my YouTube channel. I'm Sangwoo Kim. Today I would like to share how to add text labels in a scatterplot. When you add text labels in a scatterplot, it helps us understand data structure and also guides us what kind of statistical analysis is appropriate. Whenever I have OJT session with the junior analysts, I always emphasize the importance of exploratory data analysis through scatterplot. Alright, let's first move on how to draw a scatter plot with text labels in R. Let me use empty cars data which is available in R. So let's use head function, empty cars. Okay, there are many variables related to car model, right? So let's use plot function, so empty cars, mpg, which is miles per gallon, I guess. Empty cars and WT weight, right? So as you can see, there is strong negative relationship between mpg and WT weight. So we want to add text labels on this scatter plot. So we can use text function. Empty cars, WT, and labels, row names, empty cars. Right. We were able to add text labels here, but it's a bit large, so we can reduce text size. So character expansion as 0.5. Right. Size is okay, but as you can see, some text labels are overlapped, so it is invisible. Maybe we can try to change text position, like compose as like 3. So in this case, text labels are on the top of data points. Maybe if you change as text position as 1, bottom of data points, right? So still it is invisible in some cases. In this case, we can think of other R package. So for me, actually, I like to use GGREPEL package. Okay, then let's try to draw scatterplot again. ggplot data empty cars AES, which is about x coordinates and y coordinates and label empty cars. And then geometric object point. Okay, let's add text. Right. Let's try to use GG text REPL. Then again, let's see. Let's change text size as 3. Right. There are some. There's warning message for unlabeled data points here. So consider increasing max overlaps. So let's max dot overlaps as infinitive. Okay, maybe we can think of box padding as 0.7. Cool. So yeah, as you can see, so all data points with text labels. So if you use this ggplot function, maybe you can have a more visible scatter plot, right, with text labels. Maybe you also can change like color as cylinder, right? Maybe vector. Oops, one more brackets I think we need, right? Let's delete again. Oops, sorry. Okay. And then maybe if we add color vectors, URL, try again. Okay. So as you can see, if you are familiar with ggplot function, then your scatterplot will can provide more useful information by changing or by specifying color or labels. So this is about scatterplot in R. In Excel, actually I would like to suggest you to install this free XY chart labeler. XY chart labeler, XY chart labeler. This one, XY chart labeler add-in from appspro.com. This is free for free. So if you download and install based on your system, okay, then the scatterplot function, this one, XY chart labeler, will be available. Right, so I imported empty cars data here and selected two columns, MPG and WT, right? So let's draw a scatter plot by using MPG and WT. Okay. In Excel, we also can add tag labels here, add data labels. So in Excel, you need to change text labels manually. Yeah, maybe see like this. As you can see, it's hard to find out which text is related to these data points. So instead of doing this work manually, I recommend you to install XY chart labels. Then let's see, add labels and select a label range here. Okay, then you can also manually change text position. It's manual work, but as you can see, there is an arrow which where this text is, how this text is related to data points. Okay, something like this. So today I wanted to share how to draw a scatter plot in R and Excel, and more practical actually tips to in order not to overlap text in R and Excel. So in Excel, if if you install XY chart labels, you can easily add text labels in a scatter plot, right? In our program, if you use ggplot with text REPL option, then you can get this kind of visible and readable outputs. I hope it was useful for you to understand how to use Scatterplot with text labels. Please click like and subscribe if it was useful for you. Thank you.